shot. Now, fans, remember, Marthaler Night is February 25th. Everybody come out. We're going to pick 3 people to come down and shoot for $40,000 towards the new vehicle and $10,000 towards cash. Now, these 3 gentlemen representing Cub Foods are going to try to qualify for Marthaler Night. We have Justin. Justin was our ceremonial puck dropper. He half runs the show over there at Cub Foods. You're going to have 3 shots to get it in one of those slots to win free tickets to Marthaler Night and 20 raffle tickets. That gets you bonus opportunities to be picked to come down and shoot. As long as you hit the board, if you don't qualify, but as long as you hit the board, you're going to win a free oil change from Marthaler. All right, fans, give Justin a round of applause here. Oh-ho! Justin's got some skills. Here we go! Oh! Hey! You do win your oil change from Marthaler Glenwood Chevrolet. Let's hear it for Justin. What's your name?
Dan.
All right, Dan, you gonna show Justin how this is done? Come on, fans, let's hear it for Dan here. Ooh, just wide. Whoa, he likes those boots. This one right in the middle, oh! Dan, good shots there. You win an oil change from Glenwood, or Marthaler Glenwood Chevrolet. Good job. All right, who we got?
Also Dan.
Another Dan. All right, Dan. Danny boy, let's get this one done, huh? Nail one of those slots. Ooh, just a little wide. Come on, Dan. This one is looking good. Curve in there. Oh! Well, you got the oil change. Now finish it off and qualify for Marthaler Night. To the right. Oh! But hey, another oil change winner. Fans, let's hear it for Dan and our contestants at Cub Foods. Remember, check out this video on the Marthaler page and win some prizes as well.